Load the DIAdem example file exampledata.tdm in order to follow this tutorial. Ensure that the DIAdem default units catalog is loaded. From any active panel, choose the menu option Settings, Units. Click the Load Units Catalog toolbar in the upper left of the Edit Units Catalog dialog. Select the Load option of Default Units Catalog file. Set the current contents to Delete. Click the OK button to load the catalog and clear any existing catalog contents. Click the Edit Units Catalog dialog OK button to close the dialog. In the Data Portal, select the channel speed within the channel group example. In the Data Portal Properties window, find the base property named Unit and select it. To the right of the label Unit, click on the button ... The channel unit symbol input tool dialog will appear. In a list box labeled Units, select the unit option of mph, miles per hour, and then click the Convert button. Note, the Convert button should only be used when a unit is already assigned to a channel. The Convert button will change the channel values based on the existing unit assignment and the new unit assignment. The Replace button will assign the selected unit to the channel without performing any conversion of the channel values. In general, the Replace button option should only be used when the unit to be assigned is consistent with the channel values.